Welcome to the OSU-OKC Library. In this tutorial, you will learn how to request an item in Pete's portal. First, you'll need to access your library account from the OSU-OKC Library website by clicking the Pete's portal link on the left side of your screen. Then, click the Sign In link at the top right of your screen and log in with your OKC login address and password. Begin by doing a keyword search in the search box on the Pete's portal page. In the search results, click the title of the item you would like to request. Now, click the request link under the Get It heading and click Request. It is not necessary to fill out the form. Once submitted, you will see a message confirming the request has been placed. You will receive an email when your item is available for pickup at the circulation desk. Please note, if the item is not picked up within 7 days, your request will be canceled. If you wish to verify a request or cancel a request, click the down arrow next to your name on the top right of your screen and click Requests. If you need further assistance with requests, please contact the OSU-OKC Library at 405-945-3251 or by email at okc.reference@okstate.edu.